Good day. I'm Kevin Kawaling and I will demonstrate how to create a local area network using Cisco Packet Tracer with subnetting. The purpose of the simulation is to show how subnetting helps divide a network efficiently and ensures correct IP addressing and communication between devices. I will use the network 192.168.1.0/24 and divide it into smaller subnets. I borrowed 2 bits from the host portion, resulting in a /26 subnet mask, which is 255.255.255.192. This gives me 4 subnets with 62 usable hosts per subnet. I will now place one router, 2 switches, and 4 PC. And connect them using copper straight through wires. I will now configure the router using command line interface. Go to CLI and type no, enter, then this code. Enable conft hostname R1. Then interface gigabit Ethernet 0/0. IP address 192.168.1.1 and 255.255.255.192. Then no shutdown. And now I will configure the second interface for subnet 2. Interface gigabit Ethernet 0/1. IP address 192.168.1.65. Then 255.255.255.192. No shutdown. I will now assign host names to the switches for easier identification. Click switch, then go to CLI, then type enable conft hostname SW1. Then go to another switch, go to CLI and type enable conft hostname SW2. I will now manually assign IP addresses to each PC based on their subnet. For this PC, I will go to IP configuration, then type 192.168.1.10. For subnet, 255.255.255.192. And for default gateway, 192.168.1.1. For this PC, I will go to desktop, IP configuration, then type this 192.168.1.20. For subnet, mask 255.255.255.192. For default gateway, 192.168.1.1. For this PC, go to desktop, IP configuration, then type 192.168.1.70. Then change the last part with 192. For default gateway, type 192.168.1.65. For the last PC, type 192.168.1.80. Then change the last part to 192. For default gateway, 192.168.1.65. To verify the configuration, I will check the router interfaces. Go to router, CLI, then type show IP interface brief. Now you can see that the Gigabyte Internet 0 has an IP address of 192.168.1.1 and is yes manual app. Then the Gigabyte Internet 0-1 has an IP address of 192.168.1.65. I will now test the connectivity using the ping command. For this PC, I will go to command prompt, then type ping 192.168.1.70, then press enter. Then you can see it pinged. In this demonstration, I successfully created a LAN using subnetting in Cisco Packet Tracer and configured the router and switches using CLI commands, assigned IP addresses to the devices, and verified network connectivity using ping tests. Proper subnetting is important because it improves network efficiency, reduces IP address wastage, and enhance security and allow easier network management. And that's all. Thank you.